This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rob Johnson. Reduced. Just over 3 acres, mountain views, peace and quiet location with an area already cleared and ready to start building your dream home. Enjoy the birds, deer, turkey and various wildlife right in your front yard. Septic system installed, natural gas and utilities avail. Plus fiber optic 5G service ready and in place. Bring your building plans and get started right away on creating the home of your dreams. For more information, review the details below or contact Rob Johnson at 865-966-1111.